Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. Second PUC Mathematics reduced syllabus. We shall see reduced one because we already know 30% of the syllabus have been reduced for this year 2020 and 21. So we shall see retained will come for exam, deleted one won't come, don't want to read. So from mathematics we shall see which is retained and which is deleted. From chapter wise, first chapter relations and functions. In that introduction, types of relation, types of function, basic binary operations. In this deleted portion is composition functions, inverse of a function. So this one don't read from this chapter. And the second chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. Retained is introduction, basic concept, principal values. Deleted one is graphs of inverse trigonometric functions, elementary properties of inverse trigonometric function. So no need to read this one. And from third chapter, matrices, retained one is introduction, matrix, types of matrices, operation on matrices, transpose of matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, invertible matrices. Deleted portion is existence of non-zero matrices whose product is the zero matrix, concept of elementary row and column operation, proof of uniqueness of inverse if it exists. Is deleted. Fourth chapter, determinants. Retained is introduction, determinant, area of triangular, minors and cofactors, adjoint and inverse of a matrix, applications of determinants and matrix. Deleted portion from this chapter is properties of determinants, consistency, inconsistency and number of solutions of system of linear equation by examples. So this is deleted. Fifth chapter, continuity and differentiability. Retained is most of the lesson is retained, and deleted is Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem without proof and their geometric interpretation. Sixth chapter, application of derivatives. Retained is most of the chapter, deleted is rate of change of bodies, use of derivatives in approximates. These 2 points only are deleted from this chapter. From 7th chapter, integrals. Retained is most of the lesson and deleted these two. This value and this sum, these two sums. So definite integral as a limit of these two sum. From chapter 8, application of integrals. Retained is to introduction, area under simple curve. Deleted portion is area between any of two above said curves. These two, this one deleted. And 9th, differential equations. Retained most of the lesson, but the year one sum there is deleted is formation of a differential equation whose general solution is given. Solutions of linear differential equation of type these functions of y are constants. From chapter 10th, vector algebra. Retained most of the lesson, you can see. Deleted is scalar triple product of vectors. This one only is deleted. From chapter 11th, 3-dimensional geometry. Retained is most of the lesson, deleted angle between two lines, two planes, a line and a plane. This one only deleted. Chapter 12th, linear programming. Retained is most of the lesson. Deleted is mathematical formulation of LP problems. Unbounded. This one. And 13th chapter probability. Retained is most of the lesson. And deleted mean and variation of random variability binomial probability distribution. This one is deleted. So don't read. And this is about maths, retained and deleted portion. So this much only. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.